Hello! Welcome to Handmade Herbal Haircare by Queensanity. Here are the different ways to use our products. Apply oil or spray to your scalp and massage gently, and leave in. If oil or spray is too heavy for your hair type, apply in small amount to your fingertips and massage into your scalp gently. Another way is to add oil or spray to your shampoo or conditioner to help hydrate your scalp and shaft of your hair. Then rinse thoroughly. Use oil or spray as a hot oil treatment which work by sealing the damaged hair cuticle, the outermost layer of your hair. Apply 2 to 3 plastic caps, leave on for 20 to 30 minutes with or without hairdryer, and shampoo thoroughly. Please note, use for at least 6 months consistently and use 2 times in a day for better results. Hair types vary among individuals from different regions of the world. Some individuals have straight hair, while others have wavy, curly, or coily hair. Our products have demonstrated their effectiveness and benefits for all these hair types. Our products are equally good for women, men, and children. Thank you for watching.